Start work by folding the seats forward. Then remove the rubber insert from the cup holder. Unscrew the nut underneath. Pull the seat cushion up and out of the guide bearings. If present, disconnect the electrical connectors. Now open the trunk and unlock the rear seat backrests. Then remove the screws securing the side bolsters. Fold down the seat back, then the seat bolsters can be removed. Next, undo the screws from the pivot bearings. Then, at the pivot bearings, disconnect the electrical connectors. First, remove the seat back on the passenger side, then the seat back on the driver's side. Finally, check the bearing race on the central pivot bearing and on the seat backrest. If they're damaged, replace them.